This place is the place which we receive the material, feather and offal, and take it by this elevator to up. This elevator, when we rise it, as I stand now, we draw all the offal and feather of chicken, taking it to the discharge gate of the cooker. This charge gate of cooker in the top of the cooker. When we open this gate like that, we put all the offal and feather inside, and then close again during the cooker run. We don't put during the cooker stop, but should be run and closed again. Then this cooker make four process. One is cooking, two is sterilization, three is hydrolyzation, four is drying. We can declare this on the machine itself. This is the cooker which receives the material, feather and offal inside, as we showed before. This cooker contains with two shells. In between of these two shells, steel reach to 5 bar, and the cooker have an inside agitator. This agitator we drive by one motor, 50 horsepower, including gearbox and clutch, mechanical clutch, in the end of the cooker like that. This cooker 5,000 liter is the capacity of the cooker, about 3.5 ton the raw material. During the cooking and sterilization and hydrolyzation, there is gases coming out. These gases we have to condensate it. We have some stage to condensate these gases. Number one is the cyclone. This is a cyclone from stainless steel material. This accelerates the gases which come out by high speed and condensate about from 10 to 15% from the gases. The gases about 120 cubic meter an hour. Then the condensate will come down by this tube, and the remaining gases coming to the second stage of condensation. This is the condenser, water condenser. It contains from inside tube. This inside tube about 170 tube. This 170 tube, the diameter, inside diameter is 32 millimeter, and the thickness is 2 millimeter, and the tall is 2 meters. This tube surrounded by water. The gases go inside the tubes, and then by the water outside, these gases condensate. This condenser can condensate about 60% from the gases coming in. The remaining go out to this condensation tank. This condensation tank have a spraying water from up and try to condensate about 10% from the gases coming in. After this, the remaining will come to the vacuum station. This vacuum station suck all the gases from the line and condensate the remaining parts, and after this all the condensate liquid will come down to this drain in this bit and take it out to a water treatment outside. This condenser, the water which we use, make a circulation for it because it reached to high temperature. Take it up to a cooling tower in the above roof and return again after cooling it to serve the water. Then we can open the discharge gate, the front of one in the cooker, to see inside. This is the discharge gate. After finish, you can open like that and then discharge the material out. The material which we cook already and dry, take it out to this hopper in front of the cooker. This hopper we can put 2 tons. Then draw by an auger in the bottom of the hopper to chain conveyor. This chain conveyor take it to an auger. This auger, we have 2 lines there, so the chain conveyor receive from the 2 lines, and the auger, this auger take from the chain conveyor and transfer all the drying material to the second stage of the factory. This second stage start by this vibrator. This vibrator to have a screen, good screen to separate the material, take the powder and separate all the garbage. Then transfer to a press to separate oil, and from press to the hammer mill. This is the hammer mill. Transfer by auger the material, and inside the hammer mill we can obtain the finished production. Is the protein powder of the offer and weather, and then put it inside the package. This is to and after this close the package. This is the control system of the steam in the cooker. We have a that one is to measure the pressure inside the inside bottle, and this steam to measure the outside steam pressure, and that one is gauge to control the steam if increase or not. This also the gauge to measure the temperature inside the inside bottle. The temperature may reach to 150. After this, we can declare this is joint to enter the steam inside the agitator. This is the control panel, which contains 3-line cooker and all accessories, and augers and chain conveyor, which transfer the material to another section. This is the signal for the ampere, and also this is the consuming ampere for every machine. This section is the other section to make a package and close it. This is a control panel for the factory.